Our bodies are masters of adaptation, but when they're forced to deal with chronically low oxygen, the very solutions they come up with can create a whole new set of dangerous problems. It kicks off this tragic domino effect.
So here's the first domino to fall. Your kidneys sense the low oxygen and send out a hormone signal to your bone marrow, basically shouting, "We need more trucks to carry oxygen." The marrow responds, pumping out way more red blood cells. Now, that sounds like a good thing, right? But the result is that your blood gets thick,